dobre, good afternoon everybody. It's happy Monday. Monday is money day. So you make money and you spend the money. Okay, so today I will take you to do a grocery shopping because at the beginning of the week, so I will do my weekly shopping, especially on Monday, because normally on a Sunday all the the shopping center, which is supermarket and shop, that close. So it's time to go shopping on Monday, money day. So why do I say money day? Because in Bali, Indonesia, as a Hindus, we believe in goddess of money, who is Devi Sri. So you believe in a god of money, you make money, and you spend the money, and you love the money. This area in Koscielna Street is basically my neighborhood, and that building is my apartment, and that security guard there for 24/7. And that is the Zapka over there, as you see the green one. So under that one you see that Zapka, and then next to it is the Orland, which is a gas station. So it's a very prime location where all the shopping center. And next to me, in front of me like that, that's the Lidl. And there over there behind, that is Biedronka. And over there, that is the bakery shop. And here in the middle is the park. Look at the birdies. And the park is clean. So Damian is very smart. He choose a very best location where the shopping center close by. I love this. I love shopping. Let's go. So today we are in Lidl. I bring my water bottle. I mean the plastic bottle, because I'm gonna change this plastic bottle into money to shop. So I will do my bottle like this. I can press this one because English this one. Oh, look at this. Let's see what to do. Right? This is how you put it in. Woohoo! Aha! I've got the voucher for my shopping. Woohoo! So I wish that in Bali, Indonesia, they have a machine like this. So all the plastic bottle can be recycled, can change into money, and for shopping. I love shopping. So let's go there. Okay, first of all, I need to buy a coffee beans because Damian already ran out his coffee bean. This one. Okay, put it here. So this one is coffee and tea section. You see there are so many stuff, and that is the peanut and flowers. So yeah, let's go there. Let's see what we're gonna buy. This one is chocolate section because Damian is a big fan of chocolate, so I will buy his chocolate. This one is fruit section. I think that I need to buy my fruit and vegetables. I think that I will buy this one, strawberries. So cheap. Here also the bread and pastry section basically. So there are so many choices of bread if you want to buy bread, but I will not buy bread here. I will buy a bread there in the next bakery shop. They also have apples. I like apples. I will buy the red apple. This one basically is the fresh meat section. Oh, they also have a sushi here. And they also have a juice, a vegetable, salad. They have a pizza. They have a pierogi here. Oh, they have so many things. But first of all, I will buy this salad. Damian's favorite salad. And now is the meat section. So sage, So I will buy Cabanos, this one with the chili, and I will buy this one, my favorite one. Okay, so many options, sausage and ham. So let's buy Damian's favorite ham. I think here you see the price is also very affordable. I think this one is Damian's favorite ham. So with this one is the cheese section. Let's see. I need to buy Damian's favorite one. Oh, here it is. Let's take it. And this one is the yogurt section. And let's buy Damian's favorite yogurt. So this one Damian's favorite yogurt, and let's buy the milk over there. They also have a many selection of butter. Maswo means butter. So but now I will just order one milk here because summer is coming, so it means like grilling session. So there are so many things to grill, and here on the left is the ice cream section. So let's go there. If you are pivo lover, which is beer lover, so here's the section for you. But my husband doesn't drink pivo, so yeah, let's see. Oh, you see here in Poland there are lots of pivo or beer selection. And cheap. You see, do you want to have in the can one or you want to have in the bottle one? So many selection. Like this one, so many selection of wine also, yeah. And vodka here is so cheap, but I don't drink vodka. Like this one, you see, for those who likes to drink alcohol, this is a heaven for you. And that's the wine price. So many choices and cheap. Okay, let's find my favorite kerupuk. This one is the bacon one. So good. So here also they sell clothes. They sell basically many things in Lidl. This section is basically for the cosmetics, shampoo, soap, something like that. But I don't think that I will buy one or two tissue. That's for the baby. I didn't have a baby yet, but soon, I hope. And here is the spices. Oh, oregano. I think that I need to buy this. Oh, let's see, they have ketchup. Oh, they have a noodle. Oops, they have a noodle like this. So many instant spices, something like that, pasta. So nice. They have a dish as well, flour, coconut milk, and powder flour. Okay, I need to buy egg. So basically that's the canned food. I think that I don't need to buy it because my mama-in-law already prepared that. So basically this is the veg section. Yeah, let's see what we will buy. So this one is the mineral water section, and juice and coke and water. I need to buy one sparkling water for Damian. Okay, so that's basically my shopping. There are cashier over there, and they also self-checkout, so I just prefer this cashier. So for those of you who alcohol lover, this is for you. In Bali it costs you a lot, expensive, fortune, but here so cheap. And they sell the rice as well. So this is my grocery shopping. Now it's time to go to the Bakris shop. Remember that was the Lidl petrol station or gas station. Now in front of me that is the Bakris shop. So this one is my favorite Bakris shop. Very affordable. I will buy a bulky for Damian. And look at the kiwi, always busy every day and always fresh. That's the cake, so yummy. Home is where bread is. So home is where the bread is. So nice. So nice. Aha! So now we just arrived home. This all my shopping today. Fruit, water. What is it called? Apple, strawberry, banana, juice, ham, kielbasa, sausage, this one salad, my rice, and then it cost me around 125 zloty. It's about 500,000 rupiah. So what I can say then, if let's say I come back again to Bali shopping like this in Pepito or Grand Lucky, probably more than that. And my rice cost me about actually 3 zloty, about 12,000 rupiah. What is the most expensive thing from my shopping is my truskawki, half kg of my strawberry. I really love the strawberry, sweet and big. So that's my 1 week for shopping. You know, I didn't buy that veggie yet because I want to buy the veggie in the Rinek over there because more fresh. And then yeah, basically for 1 week our budget is about 150 zloty until 200 zloty. It's just about 600,000 rupiah until 800,000 rupiah. So yeah, that's the shopping basically for 1 week, and sometimes more because I also like to, you know, shopping different stuff. Okay, so I think that's all my video today. Just a small shopping, grocery shopping, so at least you've got you know, a description or imagination whenever you come to Poland and how much you spend. And here I'm living in Poznan, Poland. And of course, if you live in Warsaw or if you live in Krakow or you live in another big tourist cities, must be more expensive. So I think that's all my video today, guys. It's time for cooking lunch because Damian gonna have you know, kanapki or sandwich for lunch. He will come soon. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.